Hello, and welcome to another wonderful session of meditation, laced with a touch of humor and the surreal. Today, we delve into an interesting concept: gargling with mindfulness. No, don't worry, you won't need any mouthwash for this exercise, and certainly, no minty aftertaste will linger. Make sure you are comfortable. Just like how you would with a mouthwash, we're going to swirl around our attention in our mind, noticing everything but sticking to nothing. Ready? Let's begin. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Now exhale slowly, releasing any tension in your body. Imagine your attention like a liquid, filling every corner of your mind, gargling with each thought, each sensation. Observe it without judgment. Just let it swish around. Feel the sensation of this mental gargling. Let it make you curious. Let it make you smile. Now, imagine spitting out all the unwanted thoughts and tensions. Just like after a good gargle, feel the clarity, the freshness of the moment. Keep breathing gently. Notice your breath and how it evolves in your body. For each exhale, imagine that you spit out unwanted thoughts. Repeat this for a minute, and let your body release more tension for each breath. As we wrap up this session, hold on to this sense of peace, of freshness. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Use your time. Smile as you slowly come back. Bringing a bit of that gargling mindfulness into your day. Remember, this form of mindfulness, absurd as it may seem, is a way of bringing a fresh perspective into our lives. Breaking the mundane, and hopefully, making you smile along the way. Until next time, remember to breathe, be mindful, and most importantly, to smile.